Sensors in ADT wireless alarms use CR123A alarm batteries, depending on whether your system technology is Visonic or Honeywell. Make sure you buy genuine alarm batteries to minimize the chance of false alarms and system errors. You can buy genuine alarm batteries for ADT alarms in our online shop, smartsecurity.store. To replace an ADT wireless alarm sensor, you need to do the following. Remove the cover of the sensor carefully. In most cases, the cover is held by a small screw. When you open your alarm sensor, it will trigger the tamper alarm and start your alarm ringing. You can't do anything about this unless you have the special engineer code. Insert new alarm battery. After swapping batteries, make sure you place the cover back firmly so as not to cause a tamper alarm problem.